3-ingredient fall sandwich that I can't stop eating right now is grape mostarda with queso Oaxaca and prosciutto. Fuck. That's so good. Late summer grapes. These guys, they'll have a natural pectin that's going to thicken the sauce. And this sauce is also, it's known as like a big thing in Italy. And they use it to candy things. And it's like a sweet, savory condiment that goes on meats, cheeses, stuff like that. Mustard seed. There's multiple types of mustard seed, but basically there could be yellow or there could be brown or dark mustard seed. The darker ones are the more spicy mustard seed. These will add a little more kick to whatever you put them in, but be mindful, you need to crush them into or cook them into whatever it is you're putting it into. In this case, I'm putting it into the pickle or the vinegar that's gonna go into the mostarda. The vinegar also sort of mellows it out a touch, which is a good thing with mostardas. Apple cider vinegar. Kosher salt, grape mostarda, fresh grapes. I like to add in fresh grapes to the hot mostarda just because I like the crunchy grapes within the sauce. Queso Oaxaca. This is a nice, stringy, melty cheese. Typically, they serve this on a hot skillet with some chorizo. You take some tortillas and you dip it. It's delicious. It's a nice, stringy cheese. I think this is perfect for a grilled cheese sandwich. Now the reason for tossing the grilled cheese in the oven and not finishing straight up on the stove is so you melt the cheese off without burning the bread. So you could just go really low and slow, or you just get a good toast on it, toss it in the oven and get that cheese nice, melty, bubbly, and you're gonna have it fully cooked through without burning the bread.